everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. This is a project that was created by Steph Lyons and Delynn, who is Outward Processing on YouTube. This started January 10th, it ends December 10th, and this is the second year. Pretty sure it's the second year. Yes, it is. It's the second year. I had to think about that for a second. I do so many like recurring projects. Sometimes in my head, I can't remember all the things. Anyway, this is all about your cream products, your liquid products, your gel products, anything that is not a powder, because anything with any kind of moisture content will go off faster, turn bad faster, however you want to phrase it. So this project really focuses on those products that are going to go bad faster, so you can get them used up, get them out of your collection, and use them before you can't use them anymore. So I have no empties this update because if any of you guys watched my videos recently, you know that some craziness happened here in my house, and of course my phone is ringing, and we'll shut that off. Yes, I know, it's weird. I still have a home phone. So yeah, some craziness happened here. My life is in chaos. It's going to be in chaos till mid to late August, but you know, we just make the best of it. But I went through like a week and a half where I really didn't wear any makeup because I couldn't. I didn't have the time to. So my progress is not quite as good as it normally would be, but we're going to live with it. So most of these products don't really have much progress on them, but we're gonna keep working on them. I'm gonna go through them in the order that they are on my list. First one is the Maybelline Color Drama Lip Paint in Stripped Down. I have not used this at all in the last month because I've been trying to finish off a liquid lipstick that doesn't want to die. That is a very similar color to this, and yeah. So that doesn't have any progress on it. It is still sitting at 11 grams. This one, I don't know what's going on with this one. This is the Buxom Wine Me. I use this a lot. Like, it's crazy how much I use this. And I don't like bright red lips, though I get a lot of compliments on it when I wear it. Somehow this like gained a gram, which I don't understand. As much as I use this, it must be my scale. It has to be my scale because I have been using it. A lot of people have been commenting when I did my videos that they like it on me, and yeah, so I've definitely been using it, and it went from 6 grams back up to 7 grams. I'm just figuring my scale must not have been like zeroed out as well as it should have been last time. I don't know. Let's see. The next one is the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. Haven't used it because, you know, I suck. And I have the ColourPop Jelly Mutt Shadow in On the Fly. I do have a little bit of progress on this, but because it's so malleable, I don't even take pictures or weights because, like, when I refresh it, it will gain weight. But I'm definitely making some good progress. My goal is to finish this one. I really enjoyed this one so much. Of course, I have not yet met a Jelly Mutt shadow that I don't like, so there could be that. I really enjoy them. I do refresh them with like 1 or 2 drops of like contact solution, maybe once or twice a month, and it just keeps it going and really easy to use. Because if they get dry, they get a little bit crumbly and they don't like glide on your eyes as well. Like, it's not what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing the No Rest for the Vivid Jelly Much, but yeah, the more refreshed they are, the more water-based they are, the better that they glide on your eyes. So yeah, I don't mind refreshing it. I don't mind at all. And the last one is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Puppy. Don't ask me why a bright orange is called Puppy. I'm going to show you my progress on here. I was up here last time, and I am down here. If I can keep that progress, this one should be done by the next update. That is what I have left. It's not a lot. Hopefully I can get it done. I really would like to have an empty in this. So far, I only have one thing that was a usage, and it was Gourmet. And with the way everything is going this year, I did not want to put another usage product in because then that's going to sabotage like all of my other products that I'm trying to finish this year, and I already got enough chaos going on in my life. I wasn't ready for that. So yeah, hopefully hopefully, cross my fingers, I will have an empty for you guys next month, finally. That would be nice. I am going to have Steph and Delyn listed down below. There's playlist and all that good stuff down there if you want to binge watch and enjoy other people's. There's a ton, like a huge ton of people in this year, which I love because it's a great project. And crossing my fingers, it's going to be here for year 3 next year because I will participate in it again and again. I have a lot of cream, liquid, gel type products that I need to like focus on. Anyway, they're going to be listed down below. Go check them out. Show them some love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.